Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna doing another blender tutorial today. It's gonna be so I'm gonna tell you how to make a donut on in actually it should be in Blender. So let's get to work. Plus again, if you don't have Blender, I'm gonna give the link in the description of the video so you can easily download it. We just have to delete it though. Oh, wait a second. Press X and then you'll get something like this. Just delete that object. Now what we'll need is something that we often don't need much in Blender. But let's get it. Press Shift key plus A. You'll get something which is like an add tab. Go on the mesh, the first thing, and select torus. Now torus isn't something that what the I didn't expect that. Now torus is again something like that isn't used by many people. But let's just add it right now because while making a donut, I think that is the perfect thing for us. Now, when you get any object, there are a few on the spot things. By which I mean that you have to do them, like if you have to make any changes to the donut that appear over here, you can do them only right now. So for major radius and minor radius. Now I'll just make this good enough. Now you this as I think this is in now, like good enough. So I think this is it. Move the torus a wee bit up from the thing. Now in Blender there are many modes. One is object mode that we are currently working in. Then there's an edit mode, a sculpt mode, a vertex paint, weight paint, and texture paint. But today in this video we'll be only using object mode and edit mode. Now when you select edit mode, something like this comes. First we need to just select this one so we can select faces. Now clearly you'll get something like this. Now I don't think it is actually. Press 1. So for example, I select this. But if I select this will go. So just to get it in touch, we are supposed to click Shift and Control together. Now what will happen is that multiple number of faces or vertices or edges, whatever we want to select, can be easily selected. And this is for like all the face, both all three of them, vertices, edges, and faces. As a reminder, we're currently doing the faces, but so we have to get like I think 3 layers for the topping. Now there is something that I personally don't use. It's box select. Now for box select, you just press B and this kind of so you'll get this grid. And then if you just make this, so it'll select. But right now I don't want to use it because like this might just take you a lot of work and patience and a lot of stuff like that. But I think this is the ideal thing for it. No! Oh, I'm sorry for that. Yeah, this is what happens if I don't press Control Shift. And trust me, it's like a really bad feeling when this happens with you. Oh, thank God that was quick. Now, well, now that actually teaches a lesson both to me and, well, my viewers, which are currently you. So, oh, oh, thank God I was not pressing shift. Oh, God, I've done it again. Why? Why? Oh, now I think, guys, you should be more focused, but as which I am not currently. So I'm gonna use the box select. So you'll get this grid. Then take it just till the third layer. Hope, thankfully, it did happen. I just realized something wrong. I told you so, guys. I'm sorry about that. But if you press shift, you can click multiple of them, but then it will take a lot of time. So if you put control shift, it can actually track your movements and select the faces, edges, or vertices. Now it's really irritating to mention all three of them if you're like just talking randomly. But for example, look. Oh God. Yeah, thank God. Oh, why? This is like the third time this is happening in around 8 minutes. But if I would have done it correctly, it would have taken like by this time I would have even done the donut and rendered it. But that's not anybody's fault, it's just my focus. So yeah, with shift I can press multiple uh spaces, but if I press shift and control, as I said, it can track your movements. And plus there's a very good thing about blender. it's it's that once you did something wrong or lost it, you can all if you've done something wrong, you can always start from again or do an undo. Now I personally like that because, like, I know, like, even people like me who lose their focus in middle of whatever they're doing and end up repeating their mistake again, like what I said. But well, this is not something that I would like. So you just press undo and you get back your thing that is, well, you do know what undo is. If you don't, then you're done. Yeah, so that's that. Now, I don't think we need another layer for topping. Now, something really important. You need to press the key P, like this, the PP. So if I press P, something like this, it basically means separate. So there is selection, by material by loose parts. So right now we selected it to separate it. So it gets, now we need to go back. Now you'll get something like this. Now something that is good, like we need to color stuff, right? So press that, and then there is something like diffuse. So diffuse basically diffuses the color whichever you select. For example, I'll choose any random color, this. Now that will happen. Now if I press, okay, I didn't actually press anything. Yeah, so something like that. But I don't think that we can have a donut like that. So we'll choose the correct colors. So this will become something like this, brown. No, oh, and then that will, I don't think that's correct enough. So I think, yeah, so I think that's that. But if you render it, so like again, this is a, now if I would go to render from here, I get something like this, and by chance if I even do that, I won't be able to return back. Now maybe I would be, but currently I don't know how to. So I'll go over here, and then there is material, texture, solid, wireframe, bounding box. Currently we're in solid. Wireframe will be something like this that we could have used, but we didn't. But right now we need to go to rendered. Now look, that is not something that we will need, because that is like really dark. Now what we need is, we'll go back to solid, which are current, and then we'll copy paste these lamps. So these are actually lamps. Now I could have also done them by pressing Shift A and then putting lamp and then choosing whatever I want to. Now for example, I do spot. Now it'll get particularly light over there, which I don't think so I need. So I'll use my own way, and well, it's also up to you to choose whichever way you want to. So basically I'll get like 3-4 lamps. Yup, so I think that's that. Actually, I will put another high lamp. Yeah, so now that we put more lamps, it'll get more light. I think that's what we do need. But if we could just get light, equivalent amount of light to the other parts, it'll be like better. So we will make lights over here. Oh god. And then we'll put high, oh god, oh, wait a second. Not what I wanted, but still got it. recently. They just lose the light. Yeah. So yeah, puts it somewhere over here. Now it'll be here and we don't care. Yeah, now we'll put. Oh god, what is happening? Okay, I'll use this one. Yeah, so I'll get one like somewhere over here. Yeah, so I think that's that. Mm, it's good, actually too much light. Yeah, so I think that's pretty much it. Now you could set the amount of light as much as you want. Like I personally think I should reduce the amount of light. Yeah, so that's up to us that so I've put 8 lamps, you could put like 4 or 5 lamps. Now I think that's that, and it's me Pranjal Singh signing off for today. Thank